Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that under the Igbo traditional society, that Igba Odu was a profound traditional initiation that celebrated womanhood, achievements, and leadership? You're welcome back to Igbo Tradition, My Heritage. And today I will be discussing about a very interesting Igbo culture called Igba Odu. Igba Odu, one of the prestigious women titleship. You see, some people have this misconception about Igbo tradition. They have the notion that Igbo tradition marginalizes against the women folk. But I stand here to be corrected that Igbo tradition, pre-colonial era, because Igbo society during pre-colonial era was strictly a traditional society. That was a dual sex system of governance. Nothing like marginalization of the women folk. And today, I will be discussing one of the prestigious and profound traditional titleship being conferred on women. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you love what I am doing, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get notification. Don't forget to like and use the comment section to share your own thoughts. And don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. What is Igba Odu? Igba Odu simply means wearing of the elephant ivory tusk. Somebody might say, that elephant tusk is not called Odu in Igbo language, which is true. Elephant tusk in Igbo language is called Okika or Okike. It depends on dialects. But when that elephant tusk is being cut out into cylinder rings and polished, it becomes an ivory, which is called Odu in Igbo language. So, Igba Odu, like I said, simply means wearing of the elephant ivory tusk on the ankles and on the arms. It's a type of initiation into a profound and a prestigious Otu Odu. This Igba Odu was not a pan Igbo tradition. Igbo being a decentralized society, every community have their own autonomous way of doing things. I know sometime ago I discussed about Omu. Omu was not a titleship, but an office a woman chosen by the ancestors was called into. But this Igba order was a titleship being conferred on women of honor, women that attain that pinnacle of womanhood, achievements, and leadership. And this practice was common with the Onitsha people. That was the epic center. And then the Inri kingdom, the Inri clan, the Aguku Nri, Enuguku, Agidi, and its environs. They practiced this Eba order. And who qualified for order? Order was not just a titleship being given to any woman. Rather, it was a titleship being conferred to a woman, like I described, attain that pinnacle of achievements, leadership, and womanhood, who through lifetime had good character and hard work. And such titleship was conferred on such women, one, by their husbands, by appreciating them for being a good wife and a supportive wife. So, men that attend and amass wealth conferred such titleship on their wives. Secondly, such titleship was conferred on women by their own children, children that attained success. They used it as a way of appreciating their mothers and honoring them. Thirdly, women that conferred it on themselves through their own let me say women that were successful as market women and farmers, women that amass wealth, they conferred such on themselves. But one thing with it is women of good character and hard work. After the initiation, like I said earlier, the initiation was wearing of those elephant ivory tusk, which in the olden days, elephant was seen as a symbol of strength, immense wealth, and royalty. So the tusk, the ivory tusk, once it was gifted to such a woman and she wore it on her two ankles, on her arms, that was the initiation, which after that, celebration, feasts, dance, and storytelling. Very importantly, once a woman was conferred with such titleship, she became prestigious and joined the prestigious elite women society called the Otu Odun. And such a woman was expected to live a sacred life, a life of no lies, no cheating, and indulging herself in a petty village gossip. Indeed, it was such a prestigious titleship. So you see, in the Igbo society, women had their own prestigious titleship, which I will be discussing some of them on this channel. If you keep following, if you subscribe to this channel and keep on tab on this channel. So in essence, Igba Odu was a pre-colonial system of checking balances and elevating women. Women were not marginalized against during the pre-colonial Igbo society. Our ancestors have gave awards to prestigious men and women, like the award we have in this our present day, merit award and stuff like that. Can't you see that our ancestors had been doing that before now? What an interesting, interesting practice. They said the best is being reserved for the last. See you in my next video when I will be discussing another interesting topic on Igbo tradition, my heritage. Igba Makano.
It's the echo on our shoulders, masquerade inside.